If Jesus is not enough to motivate you to godly living, you don't know Jesus. This bold statement challenges us at the deepest level of our faith. It calls us to examine not just our behavior, but the why behind it. Why do we seek to live a godly life? Why turn from sin? Why pursue holiness, forgiveness, humility, and love? The answer isn't just to earn heaven or to avoid guilt. The answer is a person, Jesus. When you truly know Jesus, not just know about him but know him intimately, something shifts in your heart. He's not just a figure in a book or a name in a prayer. He becomes your everything. He is your Savior, your Shepherd, your Redeemer, your friend. And when you see him for who he really is, holy, merciful, sacrificial, and endlessly loving, it creates a response that legalism never could: transformation from the inside out. Paul says in 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 14, "For the love of Christ compels us." That word compel means to drive, to urge, to motivate. Paul didn't say fear compelled him, not guilt, not pressure. It was love, the overwhelming, undeserved love of Jesus shown on the cross. When you understand that Jesus died in your place, bore your shame, defeated death, and rose to give you new life, how could you not want to live for him? Titus chapter 2 verses 11 and 12 tell us, "For the grace of God has appeared, bringing salvation for all people, training us to renounce ungodliness, and to live self-controlled, upright, and godly lives." It's grace, God's kindness in Jesus, that teaches us to live differently. Real grace doesn't lead to laziness, it leads to love-fueled obedience. If Jesus isn't enough to move your heart, maybe you've only met religion. But when you meet the real Jesus, the one who dined with sinners, washed feet, carried a cross, and conquered the grave, you'll be ruined for anything less than full devotion. You don't need more rules, you need more of him. When Jesus is the center, godly living isn't a burden. It's the overflow of a heart in love, and once you truly know him, nothing else will satisfy. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.